Hi everybody, my name's Annika. I am a makeup artist in training and I'm super excited to announce that I was one of ALLIE Glines' recent giveaway winners. So I'm super excited. There was 9 of us that won a box and I got so much stuff. I'm really excited to show everybody. I first of all want to apologize for all the cars and possible neighbors that are going to be talking throughout the video. I'm really sorry. Yeah, now of course, now there's like some huge truck going by, so hopefully you guys can't hear that. But yeah, I tried to make this already, and my footage got corrupted when I uploaded it, so we're just gonna try again. But I'm excited to show you. Alright, it looks like the note's probably gonna be buried, underneath everything. So I'll just show you guys. This was actually one of the things on top. It's a Real Techniques brush set. It's from the Female Collective collection, and it's called the I Love It kit. And let's see. There's also a Wet n Wild sponge. There was also a sponge that came with this brush set, but it's buried now in my box because ALLIE had packaged it really nicely. But yeah, I ruined it yesterday. But here's the next thing. This is the Moonstone. Oh, I should probably show it to you this way. Moonstone, sorry for the glare, but it's Profusion, and it's a really nice big neutral palette with some bronzers and pressed glitters. So I'm excited to try that. I do actually own a couple things from Profusion. The liquid blush that I am wearing today, and it's really pretty. And I also have another palette from them, and it's actually much better quality than I was expecting it to be. Alright, my footage has been corrupted again. I don't know why. It's fine on my camera, but then as soon as I put it on my computer, it gets all messed up. So we're gonna redo this once again, and I'm just gonna have to make like really short clips, so because it seems like the like shorter videos, like 2 minutes are okay, but then the rest isn't. So yeah, alright, let's try again. I'm gonna go much faster and show my products a little bit quicker. So I'm not gonna show every single thing, but I'm just gonna give you a general idea. So here is a couple of these Quints. So they're 5-pan ColourPop palettes. Social Butterfly, Over the Cocoon. I have a few more of those. Then I also have some of these cute little 4-pans. So I got, I think, at least 4 different quads. And then I do have some more. I also have 6 different shades of these Milani cream blushes, so I'm really excited about those. Alright, so we also have this Milani palette. Looks like there's 2 blushes, a highlight, bronzer, and then 3 eyeshadows. Alright, also from Alter Ego, there is a nice little makeup bag that comes with a few different brushes. There's more inside here, but I'm trying to hurry so my footage doesn't get ruined again. Here's some of these shadow sticks from ColourPop. And then, ooh, this is what I was really excited about. I got, I think, like 8 different concealer shades from Catrice. And these are the Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer with Hyaluronic Acid. And it says it's waterproof and will last up to 18 hours. So I'm really excited to try these. This is going to be an amazing addition to my professional makeup kit. So I'm really excited to be able to have a bunch of different colored concealers for different people of different skin tones. And then we also have 4 of these little Juvia's Place palettes. This is the Rebel Army. We have the Rebel Mints. We have the Rebel Honey, as well as the Rebel Grays. So I'm excited to try Juvia's Place. I've never tried them. Let's see what else we have. So, hold on. And then I have a few different Snitchery times ColourPop. These are lippy kits. I think I have a third one right here. And yeah, I'm excited to try these. I love Snitchery. I think she is so cute. And then, oops, one of mine fell out. But these are kind of cool. I've never seen these before. So you have the lippy duos, and I had opened them to see what they were. And I thought it was just a lip pencil and a lippy stick, but it turns out there's 3 of them in each. I think it's the same for this one. Yeah, there's 3 of these, and then on one side is the lippy stick, and then the other side is a matching lip liner. I thought that was so cool. I had not known that ColourPop did stuff like that, and then they also have something called a color duo. And it's super cool, actually. I have some right here. But, yeah, one side is... Oh, wait, is this the lippy one again? My bad. But the other one, it has... One side is a creme gel liner, and then the other side is one of those color sticks. And it looks like a thicker eyeliner, maybe an eyeshadow pencil. I've never tried those, but I'm really excited to. And then we have the Fun Guy palette. This is actually kind of cute. Little shroom shades, apparently. And then we also I got a bunch of different ones. I got 5 mini Huda Beauty powders in all different colors. And I'm really thankful because now I'll have a shade for everybody that I work on in the future. So I'm really happy about that. Hold on. Alright, I also got some of these Huda Beauty Wild palettes. These are really pretty. They're super cute. That's the Jaguar one. And then I have some more of these. Python, I believe. And then this one is Chameleon. I'm pretty sure this is the only one that's still available on Sephora. But I'm not sure about Huda's website. But then there was another one somewhere, but we also have the Wild 3 liquid lipsticks, as well as one of these is a lip balm, so that's pretty cool. I'm really excited. I have the Naughty Nude palette, as well as the Nude Light, like the 9-panner, and that one's like the more purpley toned one, and I really like both of those. And then here's another lip gloss from ColourPop, and then here are 2 different ColourPop blushes. Ooh, this is like a really nice peachy color. I love peachy, pinky blushes, so that's really exciting. Alright, and then we also got, I have another one somewhere, but I have a bunch of these little 9-panners. I think I have 3 altogether. This one is Clear the Air, and then we have Coast is Clear, and I have a third one right here called Clearly in Love. So that one is unopened. So here is more of the Snitchery collection. This is a Luxe lip gloss, Thirst Trap, and then we have one of the blush sticks. This is What, Like It's Hard? And I actually ordered this one as well as She Devil, so I'm really excited that I actually have those now. So now I'll have backups. And then let's see. I was also really lucky to have gotten a few different shades of these different brow pencils from The Balm. So that's great because now I have more eyebrow pencils for people who don't have just like brown hair like me. And then this is also from The Balm. It looks like it's a liquid lipstick. Yeah. I don't know. We're trying to rush so my footage doesn't get ruined again. Alright, and then we also have 3 different palettes from JCat, so I'm excited to try these. It looks like they have some cool color stories going on. Hold on, my hair's in my way. Here is the Jungle Roar. This one has a really nice color story, so I'm excited to try those. And then there was another one. Here is the other one, and that is the colors in that one. And then we have some really cute impressed nails, so thank you. Let's see. We also have a few different pairs of eyelashes. And eyelashes are something that I only learned how to do like as recently as quarantine, so I still struggle with them a little bit, but I do get some nice pairs, and now I have a few to share with my stepdaughter because she likes the more like long dramatic ones, and I tend to prefer the more natural wispy type kind. But yeah, I am so excited about all of this stuff. I'm hoping, oh, I am forgetting one thing that I really wanted to share. This is the Urban Decay times Marvel Eternals collection. And this is really cool. Those are the colors. But, so I love Urban Decay. I used to buy like Midnight Cowboy and Midnight Cowboy Rides Again. Those were my favorite sparkly shadows back in high school. But yeah, watch this palette. Like, it's so pretty. And then you have this cool pop-up that says, oops, inspire greatness across the universe. So that is really cool. I love the packaging. And then those are the colors. Like, I don't even care if it sucks. Like, it's an A+ for me for the packaging alone. Although I really look forward to trying out the formula because I haven't really had any Urban Decay products since like probably the last 6 years or so. But yeah. And then that collection also came with a few different, like, so I think these are lipsticks, and then there was a couple different eyeliner colors, so I'm really excited about that. And then, let's see, sorry, I'm kind of sick and my nose is starting to get all stuffed up. Oh yeah, here's one of them. I just want to show really quickly. This is the Urban Decay Eternals Afterglow highlighter. I've been dying to open it. I have 2 of them. But, whoops, come on, open up. Ooh, so this one's like a gold, and then I don't know about what the other color is, but I'm really excited to try those. And yeah, so I got some really cool stuff. I'm really excited. I also received these YSL lipsticks. I've never had anything from them, so that's awesome, as well as these ColourPop Super Shock shadows. Alright, I found my note from Allie, of course, at the very bottom. But this was the envelope. She wrote my name, super cute. And then it's a little thank you card. It says, Annika, thank you so much for all of your love and support, and congrats on winning this giveaway. I truly hope you enjoy everything, and I can't wait to see all of the looks you create with these products. I hope they inspire you. Have fun. Love always, ALLIE GLINES. There's that note right there, but I thought that was really sweet. Yeah, I'm feeling really inspired and I'm super excited. I honestly can't thank you enough, Allie. Thank you so much. You have made it so that now when I go to get some stuff for my professional kit, I think all I need right now is like some foundations, some different foundation colors. So, yeah, that's really amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. I honestly, like, I'm speechless with your generosity and your kindness. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. Obviously, probably know who Allie is and not me, but I love all things beauty, wigs, makeup, all that fun stuff. So if that sounds cool, maybe subscribe. I definitely plan on making some videos reviewing a bunch of this stuff, definitely seeing what ends up in my makeup kit and all that. So yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.